Suddenly, the day for Esmeralda's execution was secretly set ahead, and orders came to the Hunchback to toll the death knell. For what poor soul he rang, he did not know.
Dang!
When the great bell tolled like that, all Paris knew some prisoner was on the way to execution.
Oh my god, you heard a plane was defeated at Waterloo? Oh my god. I'm mad.
Public assembly.
Oh, someone gonna be killed.
Get over here, motherfucker.
I say that's totally good.
Let me kill the gypsy. Her life for the life of my child.
God, what's her problem? She's so jealous.
Cursed gypsy. Cursed. Cursed.
With that pussy.
My baby, save her, oh God. Get out the way, bitch, get out the way.
And I do faith upon the Lord that response be dead.
Gloria Scott and Patsy.
When you think I do, I can pop, amen, yeah.
Hey, yo, come check this out. Come check this shit out.
A pleasant diversion for the workmen who are preparing the cathedral.
Hey, yo, what's going on down there?
Take a little piece here. I'm gonna take a little break in my work.
Ooh, you gonna get shanked, girl.
No.
And first appear on the steps of the Cathedral Notre Dame, there to do penance.
What you waiting for?
Oh my god, how big was it?
Oh, it was way big.